Sunday morning, nail trimming time. They're getting so big and walking around, and we can actually hold them now, so we want to get their nails a little bit duller so we don't get all scratched up.
No, so Mommy will feed them. If
Yeah,
the nails get too sharp, Mommy won't want to feed them.
Yeah. We're just doing a little bit of...
We should check to see if they have teeth in.
Are they?
We're going to have teeth in a few days. Look at that.
Yeah, buddy.
That's when Mommy definitely don't want to feed them.
Yeah. They're starting to become very vocal. They bark and growl. They bark at each other, growl at each other.
You want them to play with you? Yeah.
Then we gotta go tell the other puppies what just happened.
Okay, you're doing good. You're doing really good. Good job. You're doing a good job. You're doing a really good job.
And by doing the nails now and keep it up, and when they get older, they don't try to fight you so much when you do the nails. It just becomes a thing they're used to.
I know, but when I do their nails, I don't do the front and the back in the same day because that's too much for them. We'll do the fronts today and we'll do the backs tomorrow.
Don't take much when their nails are that small. That's a very slow moving general, and it's not very sharp. The sanding grit is only 80, I think.
Okay, I did use, so I haven't done
Which is kind of abrasive, but not horrible.
Oh, this one still has black paws. You still have black paws.
It's so fun to kiss a puppy.
It's okay, we got one more on this foot.
And of course you don't have to do the dew claws because they've been removed.
Some of them have been.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so all these 5 have been done, so let's get out of the baskets.
Gotta make sure to kiss each one 1,000 times.
Yes, we gotta make sure nail day is a...
So now we can see the difference between the way a fawn and a brindle react to the nails being done.
You think it's a color difference. You're doing a good job. Yes, you are. It's okay.
I think these two here are actually looking outside. Can't wait to get outside. That one's calling for Mama. But Mama, where are you? You don't believe what this lady did to me.
We should find out if we have enough collars for them. You should get some collars on you so people can pick out their puppies.
And there'll be a video soon to come where we stack each one. You can see what they look like. And the color of the collar. It'll be on them when we do it. It's difficult to make those videos, but we gotta do it.
Yeah, but I'm getting inquiries every day, so I need to know who's getting what and so I know what I have available.
Right. What a weird way this one's sleeping. Got the weird arm underneath and everything. So goofy. Yeah, he's sleeping on a butt. I'm just gonna sleep on a butt.
Did I always sit on you? Did I always sit on you?
Yeah.
I'm surprised Gypsy hasn't been over here.
Start eating in there.
Oh, food. Yeah, food's more important.
Food trumps puppies every time.
Speaking of that, remember the time she left her babies for a carrot? I'll post that video up here above when this video's over so you